Alright, from 1971, this is the Sony KV-1201 Trinitron, 12-inch screen. We have our VHF controls and our UHF controls. This is just sort of an infinite control. No clicking. We have a little tally light there in the upper right for when power's on. And when we're on VHF, the VHF light above there will be lit. Switch the VHF control to U, and the UHF control light will light. We have our on-off volume, our picture control, which I believe is a combination of brightness or sharpness and color. Auto button that auto does the pictures on the Trinitron, I believe, the color I mean. Manual controls for hue and color. Earphone jacks. If you plug your earphone into the left one, it turns off the speaker. Plug the earphone into the right one, and the speaker and the earphone work. We have our little speaker behind there. Our Sony Trinitron colors. It's a very attractive set, all black and chrome-ish. Really nice. Very good looking set. Nothing really around the right side. A little ventilation grill work. Same on the left side. Let's look at the back for a minute. Right at the top we have our handle. It actually collapses. We have the old VHF antenna, which is kind of plugged into the UHF spots right now. And we have a couple controls for vertical hold and brightness. There's that VHF connector just sort of plugged in there. It's nice, I got this at the estate sale and it already had a little adapter on there for my RF cable. We have some sort of red button there, I don't know what it does. And it looks like there's a couple of labels missing there to the left of the red button. Probably manufacturing information I would have liked to have known about, but long gone. Down here we have some safety information, our power cord. Let's see, what do we got over here? Some more manufacturing information. Red, blue, and green controls. A control trimmer marked screen. FCC certification. And some adjustment spots for horizontal center, horizontal size, and vertical size. Alright, we have the antenna and DTA box connected. Let's see what's on.
Applicants or has job applicants to refer and wishes to receive.
Might do something a little different this time. Usually when I do like a channel scan, regardless of what the reception's like or little black lines here from the frame rate problems, I show everything at the end of the video, but I think this time I'll just try and focus on the relatively good reception channels and the ones that aren't showing the black banding too badly. Probably be an easier video to watch and shorter too.
Get access to preferred tickets with your City Card. Get tickets now at Ticketmaster.com. The #1 selling album, Beautiful Trauma, is available everywhere. There's more.
Plus, with an all-day range, you can go just about anywhere. The buzz around is also so easy to take apart.
time wowed fans during her...
Picture's better for me than it is for you, I'm sure.
Dollars in damage. Call Terminix now.
Without some of the more lines and...
As America's leading
It's really a good picture for being a 1971 set.
Hey, Kelsey.
Certainly found it to be a vital piece of evidence in the case.
The new and used vehicles in 2017. RaceGillmanCars.com.
Family leisure.
Stay cool 24.
If you do happen to have hearing loss, Miracle Ear can help keep you more connected to the world around you.
Workforce and around workforce.
Chocolate. Chocolate it is.
Scripts of those questions, they were asking her very simple-minded questions, and she was saying, we can't tell whether it worked.
Proof enough to G2 you didn't shoot the fellow.
Which means you're
You're angry.
and it holds up toward all.
No. Well, I think we've worked our way through the channels. Some of them showed up better than others. But it's really a pretty nice television, like I say, for 1971. So hope you enjoyed it. The Sony Trinitron KV-1201. Thanks for watching. Bye.